You're watching Theme Park Worldwide, where my trip here to Turkey continues. In this vlog, I'm here at the Agora Shopping Center to visit the Agorix indoor theme park. It's home to a little roller coaster, a few flat rides. I saw it online. I thought I'm gonna come and check it out whilst I'm here in Antalya. Now, in terms of my taxi ride here this morning from the Land of Legends, it went really well. The driver was much better. I was actually having a bit of a chat to him as well, which was good. And yeah, the journey cost around £12 for a 25-minute ride. So yeah, not too bad at all. The meter was on, no issues like the taxi that I got from the airport down to the Land of Legends a couple of days ago. Not gonna lie, I was quite nervous getting back in a taxi after that experience. But no, this driving was much better. I tell you what though, I am glad that I didn't hire a car and drive over here, and I really wouldn't recommend it because yeah, the roads, a lot of the lines aren't really marked out. They are crazy drivers over here in Turkey. So yeah, I would not hire a car. I would get a taxi, but just make sure that you're stern with them and say meter. That's what I said to him when I went in, and yeah, he was absolutely fine. He was a really nice guy. Here's a look then at the outside of the Agora Shopping Center, and yeah, it's a bit of a mystery, this one, because I don't really know what to expect other than it's a small indoor theme park with one little junior coaster and a few little flat rides. But I thought I've got to come and check it out because, you know me, I love indoor theme parks, and I thought whilst I'm in the area, I'm going to come down here and see what it's like. But yeah, I'm going to head in through the main door and try and find out where the park is. I think it's somewhere inside the shopping center. Oh, this is lovely here. Look at this little courtyard area with the big heart just there. So yeah, I came into the shopping centre, had a security search, and then yeah, there was signage pointing round to the left for the theme park. But yeah, I can't seem to find it anywhere. I've been walking around this way, unless it's further that way. But yeah, this is lovely round here. All the nice planting, water features over there as well. I wasn't really expecting it to look like this. Yeah, it's very nice. So yeah, I guess we'll just keep walking this way until we find it. There's an IKEA somewhere here as well. Oh, there we go, it's just over here. There's the entrance, right there. Got the little soldiers out the front, the Agorix Theme Park. So yeah, if you are coming, literally take a left when you come in to the shopping centre, and you'll find it just down here. Yeah, it's going to have a bit of an explore. See what this is like. I think it's going to be deserted though, looking at this place. So it's actually on the lower level just here. So as you can see, you've got all the painting at the side, graffiti art, some good theming down here as well. Yeah, so it's kind of like an arcade with some rides in by the looks of it. I thought whilst I'm here at the Land of Legends, I've got to come down here and check out what else is in the area. 100%. And here we go. Here's a look inside. You got the carousel just over there. Go-karts down there at the bottom, play area over at the back. Yeah, it's very nice in here. It's a big open space, fully air conditioned as well, which is good. Got to need the AC when you're over here in this heat. It's about 30 degrees Celsius today. We've got TikTok just over here. Make sure you give us a follow. There we go, we'll give that a go. I don't know what the policy is here in regards to on-ride filming. We've got the black hole just over there, little drop tower. And there's the coaster down there at the back. Here we go. It's all right here, isn't it? I really didn't know what to expect, you know, because there's not much information about the Land of Legends, let alone a smaller park like this. But yeah, that's the mystery of it, coming to these places here in Turkey, somewhere near Antalya Airport, not too far away. Yeah, there's the drop tower. That's very cool. I don't know how much rides are or anything, but yeah, they're all lit up, so they're obviously in action. I love how we got TikTok and black hole, and there's a cosmic coaster just over there. I hope I can ride. I had a friend who came out here not too long ago and he managed to get on there, so we'll see. We're all staffed up. We've got the operator down there, teacups, dodgems over at the back there, and then a balloon ride here. There's also a high ropes course down here as well. Now, I don't know what the situation is. I assume it's paper ride. I don't know if there's wristbands or anything. Probably just paper ride. And that's if the option's available. I'm sure it will do, looking at it. Well, that was good fun because none of the staff speak any English at all in here. So I was trying to explain, oh, I want to go on these rides. But here we go, I managed to work it out. So yes, it's cost me 100 Turkish lira, so about £4.50, and that will get me on the 3 rides that I'm going to do, which of course is going to be TikTok, Black Hole and the coaster. There you go, yeah, literally you get these little cards, top them up, and I think you can use them on the arcade machines in here as well, so it's quite a good system really. Anyway, I'll get the GoPro on and fingers crossed I can film on here, and yeah, we'll take you along for a few rides. And here we go then, after a little bit of persuading, I'm on with the GoPro. Yeah, at first they were like, no, but then I showed them that it was on the chest harness and they were like, oh yeah, that's okay. Just take your phone out your pocket. So I thought, there we go, that's fair enough. We're off on TikTok. In this random shopping centre in Turkey, where there's about 2 other families here. Oh, that's cool. We're right over the roof. God, they've only just managed to fit this in here. Look at my legs. God, don't stick them out too far. I'm gonna hit the ceiling. Oh my God. Hey. Yeah, so it's cost about £4.50 for 3 rides. That's good going, that. Hey. Oh, it's quite good, this. Pretty intense. Very smooth. Yeah, it's probably riding better the fact I'm on my own. I mean, there's not that much weight on here. Normally if all the seats are filled, it'll probably struggle a little bit over the top, but yeah, there you go. See how they got a little go-karts attraction down there as well? It's a nice little ride. This place is giving me the sort of vibes that new indoor theme park is going to be like in Camden in London. We will be checking that out, Babylon Park. So stay tuned for that. Hey, this is good. Very nice ride. We get some hang time now. Oh. Well, a £4.50 for 3 rides. Oh, here we go. I'm not going to complain about cycle length. Oh. Back the other way. Oh. But yeah, it's a much nicer little park than I was expecting. I was kind of thought that it was going to be some rundown shopping centre with just a few little rides in, I'm not going to lie. But no, it's very nice. I think we'll give this drop tower a go just here now. It's called the Black Hole. Nothing like the old Black Hole at Alton Towers, unfortunately, but it'll do. We have got an indoor coaster here though, the Cosmic Coaster. So yeah, we'll give that a ride shortly. I think they're just grateful to have some customers, to be honest. It's a weekend, it's a Sunday and it's empty. Straight over then from that, it was good fun. Really enjoyed TikTok. And here on Black Hole now, I tell you what, they've done a good job just fitting these rides in here. Like, look at how close we get to the ceiling. I'm nearly touching the air conditioning. Whoa! Forceful. I like these little SPF Visa towers. Yeah, they must have done a deal with SPF, because I think pretty much everything in here is one of their rides. Whoa! That's good. He's got some kick to it. It's a Charlotte drop tower. She'll enjoy this one. To be honest though, she's coming round to the towers now. Hey! Whoa! I like how all the pillars just here holding up the roof are all themed as well. That's nice. Whoa! Yeah, these are the random moments that I live for. Not gonna lie, I was a bit on edge when I got into that taxi for the first time. It's weird because I'm so confident travelling around, but... Oh! Yeah, that first taxi ride, I was like, what? Oh! We're getting a hold now. Oh! So you got a massive play area there. Just off to the side, there's an inflatable over there as well. Fast and Curious, the cars are called, instead of Fast and Furious. Oh dear, I had to avoid a copyright claim there. That was good fun. There you got a little VR attraction off to the left as well. That's the same as the one at Land of Legends. Probably plays a different movie though. Well, both of those rides are really good fun. Nice long cycles on there as well. And yeah, they've just managed to squeeze them into this building. Designed perfectly. Anyway, up next it's time to go on the only roller coaster they've got here. It's the Cosmic Coaster. This was actually manufactured by Preston and Barbary. So yeah, I reckon they got a deal with SPF for a lot of the flat rides. I'm surprised they didn't get an SPF coaster, to be honest. Maybe one of the little spinning coasters. They've got a little bit of room for expansion if they were going to put some more rides in here. So you never know, they might do in the future. However, to be honest, it's not really making any money, this place. Like, it's quite sad to see, but they are only running it on limited staff. They're kind of running around to operate the different rides. So I'd imagine it's the case that all the staff here can operate every ride and then they can just run around and do what they need to do. But yeah, I'm going on this coaster, opened in 2018. That's actually when the park opened. So yeah, it's only a few years old. And then of course there was the pandemic. So yeah, it's probably not really operated for that long, hence why it's so quiet. It's not really that well known. And that's why I like coming to these places, putting a bit of a spotlight on them. But anyway, we'll call an operator over. Let's go on the Cosmic Coaster. Here we go, onto the little coaster. A cred's a cred. But yeah, it's much nicer here than I was expecting. It's got no atmosphere whatsoever because there's literally 2 families here. I think that's about it. A couple of teenagers walking around. But wait. Little airtime bill? Oh, nothing. Should have sat at the back. I don't know how many laps we're going to get on this. But what a bargain. 3 rides for about £4.50. I can't complain at that. Here at the Agorix Temapark at the Agora Shopping Center in Turkey. Woo! Are we going in for a third? I think we are. The operators look very confused here. They're looking at me like, what is going on? But hey, I'm paying my money at the end of the day. I'm paying their wages. Like, woo! Are we going again, or is that it? No, there's more in it. Yeah, what a lovely little park. It's a shame that it's not very busy because they've got a nice ride selection for families. Whee! Nice smooth family coaster that. Surely that's it now. Is that the end? End of the ride. Lovely. A nice ride there on the Cosmic Coaster. And as you can see, you've got the balloons in action just over there at the back as well. Another ride that's perfect really for the height of this building. I wonder if the building had anything in before or if this was all brand new. I mean, the rest of the shopping centre looks pretty new as well, so possibly so. But yeah, as you can see, you've got the little VR attraction just off to the right. Black hole again just off here to the left. All the ride entrances are done really nice here with the lighting. Carousel just there as well, and then the play area off there to the right. Yeah, I do love this. Fast and Curious. Oh, there you go. But yeah, it's a nice little look around this indoor park. I still think there's demand for more of this kind of stuff in the UK. Obviously we're getting it with Babylon Park in London that looks a similar size to this, and also the theming looks like it's going to be similar as well. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm looking forward to seeing that. I really am, with it being an indoor park. It's literally a few weeks away from opening. But yeah, what a nice little visit. So just come outside and I'm looking at the map here, and yeah, it did make me laugh. So firstly, you got this picture just here of a drop tower that looks like Hangover, to be honest. I'm not sure if it is or not. But yeah, definitely not the drop tower that's in there anyway. At the top here, this is the really funny one. You got a picture of Helix from Liseberg in Sweden. Going to be there in a few weeks, but there's definitely no Mack double launch coaster in this park. It's quite funny, isn't it? And yeah, this statement, the largest theme park in the Mediterranean region. It's very nice, but yeah, I wouldn't quite say it's the largest park. Well, I've got to say, I am pleasantly surprised with the Agorix indoor theme park and just the Agora Shopping Center as a whole. If you're in Antalya and want to come to a big shopping center, then this place is awesome. And yeah, of course, you've got the indoor theme park as well. It's very nicely finished off. It's well themed in there. Things like all the supports holding up the roof with all the theming and LED lighting. It's got all the flooring that's well done. Just overall, as a nice package, it's fantastic. I'm really impressed with it, to be honest. Nice little family park. The little coaster was good fun, but I think for me the highlight's got to be TikTok. I thought that was great, and also Black Hole as well. Worth pointing out, you've also got a few other smaller family rides there in the park, such as the carousel, the teacups, the balloon ride. Yeah, overall, it's a nice place to come for a couple of hours if you're a family coming to Antalya. And yeah, it's lovely with the air conditioning in there because it is so hot outside, especially when you're carrying a big rucksack like I am today. It's literally because I'm moving hotel tonight. Of course, I've been staying down near the Land of Legends for the past few nights, and then I'm gradually making my way down towards my hotel now in Antalya, and I'll be sure to cover that in one of these vlogs, because like I say, I'm making my way now to another little park that's home to an alpine coaster, and then following on from that, I'm going to be checking into my hotel tonight. So yeah, I'm literally carrying all my luggage with me. Here it is, just down here, look. I've got this massive rucksack with all my stuff in. So yeah, it's not been ideal carrying it around, but obviously that's the thing, when you've not got a car, you're getting taxis around, you know, that's what you kind of got to do, isn't it, when you're changing hotel. I thought I wanted to do this park on the way, because it's kind of on the main road between Antalya, right near the airport, and of course down to Land of Legends. It's about 25 minutes away from here. But anyway, I'm going to get some food whilst I'm here, and yeah, that leaves me with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.